Art is crucial to any movement building because storytelling is how we communicate. You know, whether that's through movies, documentaries, poetry, visual art, that's how we communicate to each other as humans. And so that's the best place for us to be able to educate people on environmental justice, on our history, and to inspire people to join the movement.
What people fail to realize is that it's really people of color who have taken the step about protecting the environment. And we need to make sure that you know the history that's never forgotten.
We didn't realize we were the recipients of environmental injustice. We lived there, so we just thought, this is where we live. That's part of who we are. And it took people like my Uncle Johnny, Susana Almanza, other people that were involved to really say, okay, enough is enough.